Okay, so let's start using the Anatomage table to look at our body a little bit closer. So do you guys see the sliders here? So if you just touch real gently, okay, because they're touchy, and you just drag it a little bit, you start to see it? You start to see it change? Okay, so now we are at the muscle. So you can start taking off the skin. And so now we're at the muscle, and you guys can also see the bones. You can see adipose tissue. You can see the teeth. All right, let's keep going. See how far we can keep taking this down, okay? Remember, we're just using the slider. You're going to be able to see more of the vasculature, okay? You're also going to see the muscular skeletal. So we're just being very gently taking the slider, okay? Remember how we said that? Now let's look a little bit closer. Now you can see the sternum, the clavicles. You can see all of the different intercostal spaces. So when we're teaching an assessment of listening to the heart and what are you listening for, we teach where to place your stethoscope, but it's sometimes hard to find it, and so this is very helpful. So on the right, second intercostal space, you can start to see the heart, and I'll show you. That's where we're going to listen to the aorta. And then you're going to come over, and you can kind of see the heart beating inside, which will continue to move this back so you can see. And that's the pulmonic. And then third is Erb's point. Then you're going to come down to fourth, tricuspid, and then fifth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see how it shows you exactly where you're going? And then fifth will be your mitral, okay? So that's where you're going to be listening. And this gives you a really good impression. And as you can see, like, I just have to touch on things and it will tell you what it is, okay? So you can really learn from this. So here is the sternum here. You see that? Kind of looks like a tie. All right, and then look, we can go down to the organs. So what organ is this? There's the liver, right? Keep going. There's your stomach. It's very, very cool. So let's keep going into our vasculature so we can really see the heart, okay? And start to see how it perfuses in the body. You starting to see it? You see the red is your arteries and the blue is your veins. You can see it actively moving throughout the body. And you can see the heart pumping. Let me give you a good view of how everything's starting to look. And you can see we can bring it back, take more out. And you can see how the blood is perfusing and how the heart is beating. And we'll get a close-up on the heart for you.